Are you accidentally making style choices that could be aging you or hiding your fabulous self? It happens to the best of us. The good news, small changes can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving into 10 style mistakes women over 60 often make and how to fix them so you can look and feel your best every single day. But here's the thing, the last tip we'll cover is a total game changer, and it might completely shift how you think about your wardrobe. So get comfy and let's figure out how to bring out your most confident, radiant self. Let's start with something that can make or break your look, fit. It's easy to reach for oversized clothes when you're after comfort, but the truth is, they can completely overwhelm your shape. You're not hiding, but you're disappearing. On the flip side, clothes that are too tight can feel unflattering and even uncomfortable. Here's the sweet spot. Find pieces that skim your body and highlight your best features without clinging or swallowing you up. Think tailored, not tight, cozy, not shapeless. A good tailor can be your best friend here. Trust me, a small adjustment in fit can completely transform how you look and feel in an outfit. When your clothes fit you just right, you'll not only look more polished, but also feel so much more confident in your skin. Now that we've nailed down the importance of fit, let's move on to another mistake that deserves your attention. Mistake number 2, ignoring necklines that flatter. Necklines are a detail that might seem small, but can totally transform your overall look. The right neckline does more than just frame your outfit, it frames you. A V-neck or scoop neck, for example, can elongate your neck, open up your chest area, and draw attention to your face in the most flattering way. It's like giving your outfit a built-in lift. On the other hand, high necklines, while cozy and tempting, can sometimes work against you, especially if they make you feel restricted or emphasize areas you'd rather not highlight, like a shorter neck or a fuller bust. That doesn't mean you have to avoid them entirely. Just balance them out with accessories like a long necklace to add some vertical interest. The key is to learn how to experiment. Try different necklines, stand in front of the mirror, and notice how each one feels and looks. You'll know when you've found the ones that make you feel radiant and confident. Let's take a step back and talk about what is happening below the neckline now that we've got it looking fabulous. Mistake number 3, wearing outdated jeans. Let's be real. Jeans are a wardrobe staple, but they're not all created equal. We all have that favorite old pair that feels like a second skin, but if your jeans are low-rise, overly faded, or rocking bedazzled back pockets straight out of the early 2000s, it might be time to let them go. Fashion evolves, and so do we. Your denim should reflect where you are now, not where you were decades ago. Try out some updated styles like high-waisted, straight leg, or slim-fit jeans. These silhouettes not only look modern, but also offer more support and structure. Dark washes or even white jeans can elevate your look, making you appear polished without sacrificing comfort. And here's the secret. Modern denim is often stretchier and more forgiving, so you can stay comfy while looking chic. When you find a pair that fits well and flatters your shape, it'll be your new favorite go-to. Trust me, once you try a great-fitting, updated pair of jeans, you'll wonder why you held onto the old ones for so long. With your jeans updated and on point, let's turn our attention to your shoes, because the right pair can truly pull your whole outfit together. Mistake number 4, choosing comfort over style in footwear. If your feet hurt, nothing else matters. Comfort is absolutely queen, but that doesn't mean style has to take a back seat. Those clunky orthopedic shoes that scream sensible, let's just say they can stay in the closet for emergencies. The great news is that so many brands these days offer shoes that are as supportive as they are stylish. Look for chic loafers, elegant flats, or low-block heels that give you the comfort you need without sacrificing a polished look. You'd be amazed at how much a sleek shoe can elevate even the simplest outfit. And don't forget, good insoles can work wonders. If you have a favorite pair that isn't as comfy as you'd like, adding some cushioning might be all you need to make them wearable all day. Your feet deserve to look and feel fabulous. Let's move on to another common mistake in your wardrobe, choosing bulky outerwear. Let's face it, your coat or jacket is usually the first thing people see when they're sizing you up, so why not make it count? I get it, we all have that old puffy parka or oversized jacket we've had forever. It's comfy, it's warm, but here's the deal, it's not doing your style any favors. Sure, it's functional, but it can sometimes leave you looking like you're buried in fabric, which isn't exactly flattering. It's time for a little upgrade. Look for sleek wool coats that give you structure, a chic quilted jacket that's both cozy and stylish, or even a tailored trench coat that adds a touch of sophistication. These options are just as warm but a whole lot more polished. Outerwear doesn't have to be bulky to keep you toasty. It can be functional and fashionable at the same time. A great coat has the power to elevate your entire look, kind of like how the right shoes can take your outfit from meh to fabulous. Speaking of elevating your style, mistake number 6 is all about going overboard on accessories. Accessories are like the finishing touch that can take any outfit from good to great. But here's the thing. When we go overboard, we risk distracting from the outfit rather than complementing it. I know we've all been guilty of piling on necklace after necklace, stacking on bracelets, and adding scarves or hats just because we think they complete the look. But here's a little secret. Less is more when it comes to accessories. Instead of overwhelming your outfit with tons of pieces, focus on one or two standout items. A bold necklace or a stunning pair of earrings can make just as much of an impact without all the extra clutter. A great statement piece should elevate your look and draw attention to you, not get lost in the sea of accessories. Remember, the goal is to let those special pieces shine without competing with each other. Keep it simple and you'll look effortlessly chic. Now that we've got your accessories dialed in, let's move on to something just as crucial, color. Neutrals like black, beige and grey are classic, and they'll never go out of style. They're great, right? But if they're the only colours you've got in your wardrobe, they can start to feel a little, well, boring. Especially as we get older and our skin tones change, these shades can wash us out and make us look a bit more tired than we feel. And here's the trick. A little colour goes a long way. You don't have to paint the town red, but adding in rich jewel tones like emerald, sapphire or ruby can really brighten up your complexion and give you a youthful glow. Or, if you're not into bold colours, try soft pastels like blush pink or powder blue. Even something as simple as a bold scarf or a colourful accessory can make a huge difference. Incorporating just a pop of colour into your wardrobe can keep your look fresh, bright, and full of life without feeling too overwhelming. Speaking of not going overboard, let's talk about prints, because when it comes to patterns, balance is everything. Prints are a fun way to add some personality to your outfit, but sometimes they can be more distracting than flattering. Have you ever looked at a pattern and thought, "Whoa, that's a lot"? Loud patterns with too much going on can take attention away from you and make the outfit feel chaotic. The goal is for your clothes to highlight you, not compete with you. Instead of going for a huge, bold pattern, try smaller, more subtle prints. Think delicate florals, soft stripes, or even timeless polka dots. These types of prints are flattering, versatile, and will never go out of style. They give you that fun, unique look without overwhelming your frame. A great print should complement you, not steal the spotlight. So when you're choosing prints, make sure they're working for you, not against you. On the flip side, mistake number 9 is all about underestimating the beauty of simplicity, because sometimes less really is more. Let's talk about one of the easiest, most stylish tricks you can use, monochrome. If you've never tried it, trust me, you're going to love this. A monochromatic look is when you wear one colour from head to toe. It's simple, yet it makes such a strong statement. Whether you choose all black, all navy, or even all white, the result is a sleek, elongated silhouette that's flattering for everyone, especially petites. What's great about monochrome is that it's super easy to pull off and can instantly make you look polished and put together. The simplicity of wearing one color creates a sophisticated vibe that says effortlessly stylish, without having to try too hard. And if you want to switch it up, you can always mix textures within the same color family to add some depth and interest to your outfit. It's a classic look that will never go out of style and works for so many occasions. Let's finish strong with one final mindset shift that will change the way you approach your wardrobe. Alright, here's the big one. Dressing for who you used to be rather than who you are today. It's so easy to get stuck in the past, isn't it? Maybe you're holding on to styles from when you were younger, or trying to keep up with trends that don't really suit you anymore. We've all done it. But here's the truth, you are an amazing woman right now, with so much wisdom, experience, and beauty that deserves to shine through in your wardrobe. Instead of clinging to your old style, embrace who you are today. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident, comfortable, and like the beautiful woman you've become. You don't need to try to replicate your younger self to look fabulous. Instead, reflect your current self, your personality, your lifestyle, and your uniqueness. It's all about dressing to feel like you, and not who you used to be. Alright, here's the ultimate tip that will truly change the way you approach your wardrobe and your style. And this one is all about confidence. It's not about trying to look perfect, it's about feeling your best. Too often, we get caught up in trying to dress for others or chase after trends that we think we should be following. But the real game changer is this: dress for you. Forget about what others might think or what's trending. Focus on dressing in a way that makes you feel amazing, because confidence is always in style. And trust me, that's the look that will make the biggest impact every time. Now that we've gone through these style tips, I'd love to hear from you. What's the one style rule you swear by, or maybe a mistake you've made and learned from over the years? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed watching this video, you will definitely love this next one on Top 10 Items Classy Ladies Should Never Wear to the Airport.